how to change your TalkTalk password step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your talktalk.co.uk if you want to use the web version, or if you want to use the application version, you can simply get TalkTalk application on your Play Store or App Store, and then from there, either way, you can make sure that you're logged into your account, right? So in here, like I said, log into your account, and then from there you can now after logging into account, tap on the option of my details from the dashboard menu, and then from my details you'll actually be able to see the option of change my password, right? Simply tap on change my password, and then from there you can enter your existing password, then input your new password, then tap on save, and just like that you will successfully be able to change your TalkTalk password step by step. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, or that will be it for this video.